Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be something new that I've never done on my channel, but I am currently looking to purchase a home. So this is my first home tour and I decided to share everything with you guys. And I like to think in my head that I am a professional realtor and I know everything about the insides of homes and the way they're decorated and the square footage in the rooms and everything, because I've been watching HGTV and I like to watch YouTube videos about everything. So I am not a professional, but I would like to take you on a tour, and this is one of many. And this here in Texas is one of my favorite builders. It's the Perry Homes, and of course I'm going to go inside and give you guys a first look with me. And also, you know how people dream of a wedding since they were like a young child in their wedding dress and their bridesmaids. I've been thinking about purchasing a home, not a wedding, and the details of my huge kitchen and the countertops and the island and the square footage of the primary bedroom, because nobody says master bedroom anymore because it's very offensive to some people. But the primary bedroom, if you haven't liked this video already, go ahead and like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that, and also share this video. Let's get right into it. So as I walk into the double front doors, to my left is what they call the study. It's a pretty standard office right in the front, off the front door. And as you keep going down the small foyer, which I like a foyer or foyer in my house, you go down to the left and here's the half bath, because this house has 4 bedrooms, a 3.5 bath, and that is a half bath. And right off the bath is the laundry room. You can fit nice, pretty standard washers and dryers, and they have a little cabinet space for everything that you need. And then as you go, the foyer, I like that you can have furniture in the foyer. I don't like when you walk into houses and you walk right into the living room. So here on the same side is a beautiful kitchen that I love. Kitchens they are like specific to me. They have to be right for me, the right size, the right amount of counter space. I feel like it's great for entertaining, and people can gather around the kitchen and drink and eat and everything. It's like the gathering place. And here is on the other side of the house is the formal dining room, which I love. It's great. The wood flooring is great. The color is great. And here, so this room, as they call it, because this is a model home, they call that area the game room, but I like the way they set it up as an additional family room. And it has the barn sliding doors, and then the wood beams on the ceiling is perfect. Usually I don't like wood features, but not paneling, but the wood structures on the wall is great for me. And as you go down the hall, there's a door to go outside. I thought that was pretty cool, and I was pointing to the kitchen outside because I'm like, yes. So here is the primary bedroom. Windows from floor to ceiling. It's a great size, but I don't like that the neighbors, that's what I'm talking about, that the neighbors can see right inside. You have your windows open and the neighbors can see everything. I hate that. And here's those sliding doors again, which I love. And the bathroom, I'm just like, yes, it's not huge. It's not the best bathroom, but it's perfect for if it was just me, and it is just me and Sydney, so it's perfect for me. Here's the wet room. Just have your toilet, which I think because you need that privacy. I love how it's white. In the laundry room, that's what I'm missing now. I need a laundry linen closet. That's what it's called, a linen closet Everything else is perfect. It can be a little bit bigger, a little more spacious. So if I wanted to actually do hair in my bathroom, that is possible. Okay, here's one. It has 2 closets, a nice sized tub, and the shower is great. I can actually sit down in the shower. And one thing I love about homes when they are decorated well, and I understand that everybody has a different decorating sense, and you will see that in some of these houses that I'll show you, but when they're decorated well, it sells the home. Okay, so here's the backyard. Oh, I am in love. They have a painting on the wall, and the other wall, the opposite wall of that, has a TV, and the sectional is great, so you can see the square footage outside. I don't know the exact square footage outside, but it is perfect for gatherings and birthday parties and any type of party. You still have your green grass, but I just feel like the neighbors are too close. And here's my favorite feature. Yes, a barbecue, a sink. Yes, so you can prepare food outside. You don't have to go back and forth from the kitchen, dropping food, making a mess. You could just have everything outside, and it's spacious. You have space to place things, sit things down. And I just don't like how close we are to the neighbors, but that's something I have to get over, because if I don't want that, then I have to go live on a ranch or a farm or somewhere, which I don't want to live. But this house is perfect. And this house is, I think I stated this before, it's 4 bathrooms, 3.5 baths, and it is a little over 3,700 square feet. I feel like me and Sydney would be perfect here. But I don't know. You never purchase the first house that you look at, even though I've been looking over the years. But this is my first Perry home that I ever actually toured inside and not on TV, YouTube. So I think it's great. But the cost is like starting cost over, it starts at $600 and something $1,000, which is a little bit steep for me because I never want to be house poor. You know, some people call when you put all your money into the house and you don't have money left over to do anything else. I'm very smart with my money, but I like to know my options, and I'm going to tour more houses. And when I'm ready to buy, I will buy. I am in no rush, but I am starting to in the process. So here is the square footage and the layout of everything. And look at this kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful. It's move-in ready. And of course, this is a model home, so everything in here you can take away or add more. And of course, the model home is going to have the best of the top options, and it's going to be on the higher end because it does have all the bells and whistles. So you can take some of those things away and the cost will be lower, but I will want it exactly like this. So I'm going to stop here in this beautiful kitchen and talk to the agent for a bit. But if you like this type of content and you want me to take you along with me on this journey of my life now, please thumbs up, comment on the things that you would like to see. Also, let me know what you look for in a home. If you are a current homeowner, tell me the things that I need to focus on, suggestions. And if you are someone looking, tell me some of the things that you look forward to in your new home. I thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, like I said before, go on ahead and subscribe and help me out by hitting that like button and share this video. I thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited about this new journey in my life, and have a great day.